Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. So for today's video I'm going to be stitching a small kid dress, and this is the fabric that I'm going to be using. I am very skeptical about the design that I'm going to put into this because the client has not given me any kind of a reference what kind of a design he's looking for. He just gave me the fabric and asked me to do something with this fabric, and this is a very small amount, like this is less than a half meter, so I'm gonna be using it, but because the size is really small I literally can make something out of it. So this is the fabric. I am thinking of making a frill frock kind of a situation, but I am again very skeptical with the design. So yeah, if you liked watching the complete video till the end, then do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and I will start the process in a while.
So this is the fabric that I'm going to be using. This is already 2 folds. Now I'm going to be making 4 folds to it. Now I will make few of the lines here. Not gonna measure chest, waist, hip because it's a kid dress. So I will make one portion for the bodice, then another line for the strap, then another portion for the frill. So this is how I'm going to be doing my marking. Just because I have idea about cutting and stitching, I am able to do this, but if you don't have that much idea, you literally have to understand each and every marking. This is how I'm going to be cutting the portion. That is, I'm cutting for the upper bodice, front and back. This is for the strap, and this one is for the frill. So when you will see the final result, you will understand how I have cut all of them. Before that, if you don't have any idea, you won't be able to understand. So now I will be finishing the lower edges of the dress, and this is the lower edges. So I will make a seam line and then I will stitch it to make it look finisher. There will be no thread coming out of the portion. There will be no like rough edges and all that. So this is how I will be making the edges smooth and folded, as you all can see, and then this will be done. So I have included both front and back. This is the frill I'm gonna be making because the fabric is very small. I am not going with a huge gathering frill. I am just keeping it a little pleated one, and it is looking very beautiful. I have made front and back both the pleats, and now I will attach this one with the upper bodice. Then again I will finish the upper thing of the torso and make it look cleaner. Attach the side parts as well, and then after that I will attach the upper bodice with the frill portion to make it look a dress, and this is how it looks now.
So this is the final result that I have been working on, and I have made these kind of a pleats, one-sided pleats, and then yes, a square shape rectangle में काट के मैंने इसकी borders बनाई है. There will be no shaping because it's a small kid. Then I have added these kind of straps, which is looking very comfortable and sexy in this summer season, and this is the outcome. This is looking really cute. I'm thinking of making one top for myself as well, so I'll see that later on. So if you have enjoyed watching the complete video, then do not forget to like, share, subscribe to this channel. Bye bye, take care of yourselves.